Taking something old and breathing new life into it, that's the heart of it. Growing up, I always felt the pull to create. Though I never truly knew what shape that would take, and man, like a million years wouldn't have been enough for me to guess this. You know, as kids, creation is instinct. You know, we build worlds from absolutely nothing. We bring life where there was none. But as we grow older, that instinct seems to fade. You know, we forget what shaped us, what carried us here. You know, the things we made, the things that made us, they tend to feel like they slip away. You know, most people see an old pair of boots and think it's time to just toss them out. Maybe replace them with something new. But I see something else in them. I see what they were, how they were built, where they came from, who built them. When taking them apart, you can feel the craftsman's touch, the weight of his tools, the rhythm of his work. I think there's a certain art in recrafting and mending. There's a way to connect with the person that came before me. Their hands, their care, it's all inside, it's all there, just waiting to be rediscovered. They say that cobbling is a dying art, but to me, it feels like this is just the beginning.